Okay, this is the first question. It says calculate the 30th percentile of the data shown. So the first thing we need is how many data values there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to take 8 and multiply it by 30%. And we get 2.4. Okay, just to show you, we did 8 times 0.30 or 0.3, you get 2.4. So whenever we have a decimal here, you can't find the 2.4th position, but it's somewhere after the second position. And just to be safe, we always take that and we round it up to the next number. So this is just going to be the third. This is going to round up to the third. So our locator is 3. So the 30th percentile is just going to be 15.2. Okay. All right, this says find the standard deviation of this data. Don't do it by hand. I'm going to use the calculator. So I'm going to start by putting all of my data into the stat list. I have 21.7, 14.1, 29.6, 8.3, and 11. Once my data is in there, I'm going to go to stat, over to calculate, one variable statistics. My list is L1, leave frequency blank, and I'm going to calculate. Okay. Now the thing to remember here is it wants the sample standard deviation. I believe you listed the population standard deviation. The sample standard deviation is this capital SX. So this should have been 8.67. Okay, and the last one, we have this 5-number, or find the 5-number summary and use it to match to the box and whisker plot. You can either do that by hand or you can put it in the calculator. I'm going to do it by hand. So my 5 numbers would be the min first, which is 17. I'll have my Q1, median, Q3. My maximum is going to be 36. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values here. So my median is going to be right in the middle of the 4th and 5th. This is my median. So when I don't have an actual number for the median, I'm going to take the average of these two numbers. 27 and 30, take the average, you get 28.5. That's my median. Okay. Now, to find Q1, I'm just going to do the same thing. Find the median of the first half of the data. So that's going to be right here. It's not an actual number, so it's the average of these two. This is going to be 20 plus 23 divided by 2 is 21.5. And then do the same thing here. My Q3 is going to be the average of these two. This is going to be, let's see here, 34. So I'm going to start with the min. Let's see, do any of them not have a min of 17? No, so you can't eliminate anything there. Q1 is this line here. So I'm looking for Q1 of 21.5. This one satisfies it. This does not. This does not. This one does. This one does. Now the median, 28.5. This has a median of 26.5. Of the remaining two, the only one that has a median of 28.5 is that guy.